Hi guys, welcome back for my another video of series of Python. In this video, we are going to discuss about Python variables. Okay, what is Python variable? So variables are a container guys. It's just like a storing some data values. It means, for example, I have mentioned here a is equal to 1. Okay, it means I'm telling to the Python, hey, this is a and it's storing this value 1. So I'm assigning the value. So I want to print this variable. So I can mention like this, print a is not an a. Okay. So for example, if I want to mention this kind of things, so we can use the variable stuff. Okay. So other scenarios also we have, like for example, I want to, okay, for example, I want to x equal to 5. Okay, x equal to 5. Okay, y equal to 7. Okay, then x, then y. Okay, now I'm trying to execute this one. So 5, 7. So here I'm printing the x equal to y and as well as and print y also. It means it is just like, suppose here we don't need to declare it with any particular type. Okay, and can even change the type after they have been set also, guys. Okay, for example, let me give one example here. Okay, for example, I want to change the type, data type. Okay, for example, x equal to 3. Sorry, x equal to Raj. Okay, print x. I'm executing this. So here x is type of integer, guys. Now x is a now type of string also. Okay. So it means now let me execute and showcase to you. So it is printing the Raj. So variable don't need to be declared with any particular type and can be even changed type after they have been set also, guys. Okay, it means suppose I want to apply some casting here. Okay. For example, I want to apply some casting. For example, string 5. Okay. Now I want to apply y equal to int 3. I want to write z equal to float 5. Okay. Suppose here, what happened, I mean to say x equal to string, it is I'm declaring y equal to string. Okay. I'm just x will be the is string and y will be the 3 and z will be the this one float. Okay, that means, for example, it is integer value, it is string value, and float would be the 5.0. Okay, so this is where we can declare the variables also, guys. And I am going to cover, okay, I'm going to cover like data type also. So what is data type, guys? So basically, guys, whatever here I'm declaring string, integer, these are all data type. Okay, in Python, okay. So important concept is data type, but mostly programming languages, like if you see, many programming languages are following many data types. Yes, it is, for example, if you go to DB level also, we have many data types, and if you go to the C++, Java also, right? So basically, data types are very important. So, but it is very difficult to remember all the data types, right? So just guys, I'm just mentioning like you can remember the string. In Python, we call it as a string. In database, we call it as a varchar, and we will call it as an integer here. Okay, in DB also we call it as an integer, or float also same, and date data type also there. So basically these are the data type, and we have like like for example text type is string. Okay, and we have numeric type is integer, float, complex, and we have sequence type also. list, tuple, range. We have mapping type, set type, Boolean, binary types. We have even none type also. So these are all the, obviously it is failing there, but I'm just adding some text, right? So none type also. So these are all the data types that which are were currently, available in the Python. Okay. And we have like, you can get the data type of any object by using type function. For example, I want to print here type X. When I'm executing this code, it is giving string. If I want to give Y, it will give integer. Suppose you want to find out the what kind of data type it is, right? So you can mention in print function, you can get it. So this is about the data type, guys, and variables in the Python. Thank you guys for your time. So I will